Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather pretty Triumph Stag 3-litre manual overdrive that you can see lurking behind me here. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Stag. As you can see, there's an oil pressure gauge down underneath the dash on the right hand side there. Difficult to tell in this light, but the lights do come up. I can see the ignition light coming up and the oil light as well, but it's a bit difficult to tell in this light. Starts nicely and settles down to a nice idle. So oil pressure is showing 50 psi idle. No overheating or anything, just been out for a good run. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we're under the bonnet of this Stag. This one is fitted with single 4-barrel carburetor. I think it's 4-barrel, yeah, it looks like it. Single 4-barrel carburetor. We have got the original carburetors and we've taken everything which will come with the car. Probably they need reconditioning though. It's quite a decent upgrade to fit a 4-barrel carb to these. Gives better economy, better power, makes them a bit nicer. No nasty noises on the bonnet or anything. We'll just stop and go around the other side. Here we are around the other side and it's just getting on with the job. Very, very nice. So I think there we have it. Next up we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this Triumph Stag. Showing 26,000 miles. I'm presuming that's 126. I will check the history. I know it has recently had an engine rebuild, but nice Mark 1 Stag actually. Just flick it into overdrive. Yep, goes in nicely. Out again because it doesn't need so much going that fast at the moment. You're doing about 50 miles an hour. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It's just trundling down the road really quite happily. I do like Stags. And this one seems to do the job. All the instruments are working. We've also got an oil pressure gauge underneath the dash down on the right there, which is showing 70 psi. But temperature, voltmeter, fuel gauge. Is the clock working? No, I'm not sure the clock's working. Speedo and rev counter are both working and not flickering too badly either. They're pretty good. One thing, because this is a Mark 1, it's got the Vitesse style wheel trims on it, and I can remember from over 40 years ago always being irritated. You've got a little bit of rattling from the wheel trims. You do on this one just the same, because they are the same trims. But aside from that, it drives beautifully. There's no banging or clunking from suspension or anything. It's just getting on with the job really quite happily. Nice light power steering on it. Just performing the way you would hope. We'll turn right here. Block and back again. Brakes nicely, pulls up in a nice straight line. Goes around the corner well. No squealing from the power steering or anything. The drivetrain, yep, if I let my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash or anything. It drives really well. Really well. Makes an absolutely gorgeous sound, as Stags always do. Yeah, those rattly wheel trims do take me back a bit. see out there. Yep. And off we go again. Gearbox is nice on it, clutch is nice, there's no synchro problems or anything. Fourth, and into overdrive. And yeah, just performing really, really well. So, I think we'll leave it there because there's very little more I can tell you about it, apart from it drives really, really well. Keep the overdrive out. So, yeah, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.com for any more information.